So today I picked up the Adidas Forum. $10.5 royal blue, the OG color. Here they are. Fun fact about these sneakers, Michael Jordan wore these to the Olympic trials in '84. He actually wanted to sign with Adidas, but was turned down, and probably one of the biggest mistakes Adidas made. But funny thing, interesting thing is about the similarities to the silhouette of the Air Jordan 1s that I'm finding. But I still saw these in the stores. I got these at the Base Exchange for $70 something, and I couldn't pass them up just because of the history. And I'm a fan of Adidas, and definitely a fan of the Forum silhouette. I've never had a mid, or I have had lows, and I definitely wore them to the point where I had to get rid of them. So picking these up for that price and this OG colorway is definitely a come up. Definitely will be wearing these for the rest of the summer and onto the fall. But nothing much comes with it. It has these removable straps, white laces. The leather is really nice. These are supposed to be like basketball shoes, but I don't think I'll be playing basketball in these. Just gonna be my casual walking every day. The sun is gonna look real. I think I'm gonna put it on and wear them outside, but I think it's gonna look really nice when the sun hits it.